Good morning. It is the 13th of June, which means one thing: Prodrift Academy is at Teesside! Today is a small surprise, and it's a special occasion because it is Kim's birthday! You guys know Kim, she's Scott Sargent's partner, and they both drive the E30, which is V8. We all love a nice V8, but it looks really cool. So today she's coming down for a birthday drift day, and we're gonna surprise her with a really cool cake that Sam, the chef of Teesside, has made for her, which looks absolutely amazing. And we know a little secret: there's probably a car involved there, but you guys will see it. Having loads of fun, and most importantly, we've got the best instructors in the house to get these guys to where they want to be, doing the BDC line, have some fun, improve their driving, twinning, whatever you guys want to do. That's what we're here for. So we got loads of guys. V8! One user E36, that's Joseph, one of our training guys. Darren, say hello. Hello!
How are you?
Boom!
How's
You
it
got a
going?
different car today?
Yeah, just giving the 13 a break because I want to save it for Drift Cup at the weekend. And
Yeah.
I don't want misdemeanors to happen today in case that's not ready.
That's Chunk old car, isn't
There's
it?
Chunk's old car, yeah.
I knew I recognised it, that looks cool.
Yeah, lovely car, lovely
The
car.
first time you're driving it?
Second time I've been driving it.
Okay.
Well, first time third. Once at Snetton and at Rockingham. When was Rockingham?
Last week.
Last week. Yeah,
That was
really good.
fun.
And I got a little taste on the Drift Cup layout.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah,
sounds good.
yeah.
Gonna have some fun today. Boom.
mate, I'm no
See you
going
later. We got Joe changing tires. M3 powered compact. Now that's a car we like to see. How we doing, man? Boom. Getting ready. Philip. How we doing, man?
Good.
He's gonna drive as well. He's got his free ticket from Drift Night because he was epic there. Awesome. There's this purple compact that was a Drift Night. You probably remember it. It's really cool. And we got also Gemma. Hello, Gemma. Hey. The car looks cool. Excited for today? Wanna do some skis?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do some epic drifting. Awesome, okay? The Stephen Rook's epic car. That looks absolutely mind-blowing. And for the second time around this year, we have got Dan Whiting with his car. Yeah, still unloading because he's obviously had a lion. Obviously, yes. So that's cool. Hello, Sarah. Hello. Drift Cup driver, Danny. Now that's a cool car. That's a cool car. He's getting ready for round 3 at Drift Cup. And hello, Danny. Boom. Enjoy. Signed up, ready. There we go. Right, cool. So yeah, now I'm gonna go and actually get my breakfast because it's about time for that. Sam, the amazing Sam, is cooking us our amazing lunch that we're gonna have because it's a cooked lunch. We don't believe in burgers on a training day because you guys want to have some healthy food. So I believe the menu today is lasagna. I love lasagna. It's amazing. So we're gonna go and say hello because I want you guys to see the brand new bar they've got. And it looks absolutely amazing. So everyone had their coffee already. I can see there's people on track. I can see a 350Z, a JZX 100, which looks cool. You can see over there. We're gonna catch these guys in a bit on the start line. But now, let's go up the steps. If you've been at Teesside, you know this place is amazing. There's 2 tracks, West Track and National. So loads of seat time. And now, we're gonna say hello to the best person in the house. Hello! Hello, Sam. I'm very good. You doing good? Well, yeah, guys, check this out. This is the brand new, refurbished. It looks amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I'm gonna go into the start line. So see you guys in a minute. Well, some people bring their girlfriend as a passenger. some people bring their father as a passenger. And this guy is actually really cool. Let's see if he's signed the passenger on, because that's Did you sign your passenger on?
I think his band must have fallen off.
Ah, his wristband. Okay, we'll have to sort a new one out.
Yeah,
Right.
I couldn't fit a helmet on him neither.
That's not good,
He
man.
does look pretty terrified though.
I think so. His eyes wide open. Whoa! Okay.
Humans are always hungry, so he needs a food pass.
He needs food pass. Please feed me. Right, go for it, man.
The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The stars that you don't like me, on my arms I am here empty. Like a mirage, like a mirage.
Same standard, and the stuff in my house and all the TVs are all like, you know.
Hooray! Right then, so end of today. It's 5 o'clock. We finished. Still got my high vis on because I'm cool with pink, and I'm gonna talk with the guys. The two, yeah, there we go. The two brothers. Did you guys enjoy it? Jo as well?
Oh, it was awesome, mate.
Yeah?
Thank you very much.
Not a lot of seat time, right?
Loads. Loads. We were out of tires.
You ran out of tires. And they called me yesterday, you called me, and you said, oh, we're bringing 10 new tires. That'll last.
It was such a good day.
Yeah, you enjoyed it?
It was awesome.
Good. Awesome. I'm happy to hear.
Definitely coming again. Good.
Sit time, and we're pushing to do like epic entries.
Yeah.
Phil did. And Peter. And Jo.
Oh,
doing
yeah.
Epic entries, everyone around, absolutely amazing. And now the guys are packing down, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
You're still
Ready
running?
for the 3-hour drive.
Same likewise here, man. Awesome. Boom.
Cheers.
Boom. Boom. Boom, Jo. Good work, guys. Boom, you too, man. You deserve it too for being a passenger. Awesome. Okay, that's one. Yes! There we go. You see, they're happy. Everyone's happy. Gemma! Hello, hello. How are we doing?
Good, thank you.
You actually ran in the end.
Yeah,
What was the problem?
alternator belt was a bit loose.
Is that it?
Yeah.
So.
And then we've had fuses melting as well, just put that out there.
Okay, there's fuses as well, so.
Yeah.
We still had loads of seat time?
Oh yeah.
Next time, bring my car.
Yes, you should. You should definitely do that. Good to see you guys. Boom. Gemma. Boom. Martin, not Richards. Martin, Mikey, one of our students that came from Birmingham, learned everything, and now is properly doing BDC line. Hello, Martin.
Alright.
How are we doing?
Alright, thank you very much.
Had fun?
Yes, very much so.
Seat
Apart from the
time?
alternator, but yeah, good seat time still.
Well,
Yeah,
see
I
you in
will be back,
Birmingham.
definitely.
See you in Birmingham, maybe?
Maybe.
Think about it.
When's the next one after? Is it August? Are you on August?
No, September.
September. I'll be there then.
Boom. See you later, Martin. Awesome. How many new tires have you gone through?
3 pairs
And how many tires have you gone through until now, until today, in all of your drift days?
in the last 6 months in 4 drift days. I've used one set of tyres.
One.
Oh yeah,
One
you
set
said you were
tyres,
still on
yeah.
the same set on from Matsuri.
From Matsuri, it did Matsuri, New Year's Eve, March,
And you used
Test
them
and
for
Train.
half the day today anyway.
Yeah.
It's just three.
Yeah, well, I've used 3 brand new sets today.
That's good.
Yeah.
And you did it
A
awesome as
lot.
well.
Well, yeah, I had to stop and just cool the car down and just get it off. And then the tyres.
There was too much seat time. Too much
Oh,
seat time.
whoa. There's no such a thing.
But yeah,
We'll give it a go.
Okay.
I'm going to go and try and get it on.
there wouldn't be any other one we do instead. This would be it.
Yeah.
You heard that? Thank you guys. See you soon.
Bye.
Yes,
Okay. Boom. Did you enjoy it?
I did, yes.
Okay, good.
I did.
Birthday drifting can't be better. Years ago, was it?
I did one of the first. In fact, no, I was here for the first
You
one.
were here for the first one.
First ever drifting.
Yellow Perry.
Yeah, I still have that.
Where is it?
That's at home on my drive.
There we go. It needs to be back.
I know, yeah. I know.
That was a cool car. See you guys later.
Your eyes, they as open as the ocean.